How to edit and publish an entry in SERVAL. So you found an entry in SERVAL that you would like to edit, and it's in the public visibility state. Then all you need to do is to deploy the details of the entry. Here you can see all the metadata, and if everything is correct, nothing else needs to be done. But if you find a mistake or you would like to complete the metadata, then go ahead and click on Edit. Here you will be able to complete or correct the metadata, add links, or even add a full text. But bear in mind that once the entry is public, you cannot eliminate or change full texts. Then you can click on Save, and here is your modified and saved entry. Now what happens with the entry is still in the draft visibility state. Then you still have to deploy the details of the entry. You'll notice here that you can still delete this entry, but only because it's a draft. Once you publish it, it will no longer be possible. You can click on Edit again, and as before, you'll be able to modify, complete the metadata, the links, add full texts, and then you click on Publish. And here you'll find your entry, which is now in the public visibility state.